not burn me with those irons.
Girl, you know I ain't gonna burn you. You talking something, I better not burn her. It's so cute.
Pulling up, no Pirellis. Me and my girls, we hopping out in foreign things. Prime time.
What's up, pretty girl gang? It's Princess Layah. I'm here with Soraya, my youngest daughter. We are about to do her hair. I decided to record it just because, you know, I feel like a lot of y'all like to see stuff like this. And yeah, so I already washed it.
Guys, I just want to tell you why we washed it. Cause Emma was using like this hair gel, and like it like dried up at school, and then the sides of my head it was like getting all crusty and stuff like that. And yeah, we had to wash it.
So we're about to blow dry it, press it out. She actually is having she's going to be the princess in Allie's gender reveal tomorrow. So, well, by the time y'all see this video, it's gonna be another day, but she's gonna be the princess in Allie's gender reveal.
I am really excited.
She's gonna be so cute. So I had to wash her hair. I'm gonna put it in like a really cute bun with like curls in it, and then I'm gonna have like 2 of the little curls coming down in the front. So it's gonna be super cute.
I actually I kind of like the hairstyle that I had like before, like when you wash it. I kind of like that type of hairstyle.
Oh yeah?
Mhm.
That was cute. You talking about just in the ponytail?
No, like when you like washed it and I like came upstairs.
This girl's actually tender-headed. I'm surprised she's not screaming right now. But I guess since she knows she's being recorded, she's trying to be a big girl. But I did condition it really well, so.
What do you mean? This doesn't even hurt. But just a little bit. It does a little bit.
So I'm going to take some silk serum.
Wait, Emma, can you get the stuff that you use for my hair? That stuff? Can you get that stuff so I can show?
Oh yeah, y'all don't use this stuff, y'all. Do not use this.
Do not use this stuff. I don't think I can.
So by the time we get done doing her hair, it should be dinner time. Flo and Layah are downstairs making pizza. They're actually making homemade pizza, so I'm really excited to see what that's gonna taste like.
I hope they do good.
I think they will. Flo's a pretty good cook, and Layah is too.
Hey, I'm a pretty good cook too.
You are.
I can mix eggs really good.
Let me see. How you at? I'm gonna let you go to school like this one day.
No!
What? It's cute. You don't like it?
No.
Or like this, with a mohawk.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna separate this into sections, starting with the back, and blow dry my way up.
Why is it so wet?
Cause you just washed it.
I know, but why? But why does water have to be so wet?
Because it's water.
And there's water dripping down my face.
Get the towel and wipe it.
It's weird.
So I have my blow dryer here. This is the best blow dryer ever, y'all. I got this in beauty school in like 2011, 2010. This is the best blow dryer ever.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you wanna?
I have to like take my time blow drying her hair because her scalp always end up still being wet, and so when it dries, her roots still be real thick, and then the rest of her hair be straight. And then whenever it's time for me to style her hair later on down the line, it's hard because, you know, it's just so like it was always damp right there. So I have to always just put extra focus on it, on one section, because of that. So And then so that I'm not pulling so much on her hair while I'm blow drying it, I'll show you guys how I start off with the blow dryer, and then I start to brush it after I get a good dry. So I take the blow dryer and I just do this. And it dries it so quick, but I'm not pulling on it too much, you know what I'm saying? And I can get more in the root of it. Go ahead of it. And then I go in with my brush, starting from the bottom, on my way up.
Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Nice and dry. Yeah, it's time for a trim, so I'm also going to trim her ends a little bit. She has so much hair, y'all. Oh my god. So much hair on this little bitty old head.
All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
This is such a good brush. This brush right here, I got it from Target. This is such a good freaking brush, y'all.
It's made out of gold.
She said it's made out of gold. When I saw it, it literally caught my attention, and I was like, oh, yep, getting it. Do the other side. Let me turn on my irons.
You better not burn me with those irons.
Girl, you know I ain't gonna burn you. So I better not burn her.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do.
Alright, so we have blow dried her hair. I'm gonna put some growth oil, some Hairfinity growth drops. I don't know where it came from, but like a little patch over here, and I don't like that.
Love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny.
Also, make sure your kids are taking vitamins. I have them on a probiotic vitamin as well as a I give them vitamin C, of course, but then they have like it's like a multivitamin, but it has like probiotic. It's a probiotic too, so that also helps make sure like their hair is growing properly and things like that.
I got a crush on you, that's true. I'm digging you. You make me.
Okay.
We'll be done there soon. I'm just gonna run this over. Alright, so our food is ready. They're trying to call us for the pizza, but I don't like stopping when I start something, so I'm definitely going to finish this first and let the pizza calm down, cool down. And then we'll go down there. Hold your head down, sweetie. Hold your head down more, because your hair's still wet a little bit down here. Head down, head down, head down. Because her hair don't be drying.
It's hot.
Head down.
Oh no.
Girl, I'm not about to burn you. Calm down.
I'm scared of you. Oh, that's scared of me.
I don't know what you're
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next.
When you're recording? Why is it burning up in here?
think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here.
Put your head up. Put your head all the way up, babe. Put your head up, I can't. Head up.
Oh, it looks so cute.
Alright, you guys, so this is going to be the look for tomorrow, except these curls up here. Hold your head up, Sarai, because I can't see. These curls up here are going to be a lot like curlier. I have some rods I'm going to actually curl this with. So then she's going to have on a tiara right here. Or I can always bun it like that, which it'll still be cute with these. I might end up doing like that just because her hair is just so like, it'll get poofy within minutes. So I have to just see how I want to go about doing it. But so far this is the look. Smile at the camera. You might want to put it a little higher too.
This is how
Something like that.
much hair
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it like that.
got out. This is how much hair got out.
With the curls in the front. That's so cute. Smile. The camera. Do your smile. Do your pose. Alright, you guys. So that is it. I'm gonna roll her hair so it can stay. And I will see you guys in the next video.
I'm a princess now.
You always been a princess, girl. What you mean?
Pretty girl gang. Pretty girl gang. If you are not bad and don't get it back, then you cannot sit with us. Let me hear you say